Ole ole to all football fans, soccer if you're American. This is Hellhound Engineering bringing you a down and dirty unboxing and review of a NETGEAR GS205 5-port Gigabit Ethernet Switch. Inside the package is a NETGEAR GS205 Ethernet Switch, instructions, and power adapter. That is how you do an unboxing. Yeah! Now for the good part, the review. I'm running an Oakley speed test on my laptop. It is to give me a baseline before I connect the NETGEAR GS205. As you can see, my download is at 911.33 and upload is at 941.68. Almost 1 gigabyte speed. This is how easy it is to set up the NETGEAR GS205. Just connect the power to the switch. The plug is located on the back. Plug the Ethernet line that goes to the computer or device you want connected. Plug in the Ethernet line from the outlet that comes from the router to the switch. Simple. The switch takes care of everything else. It's just plug and play. I'm now running the Oakley speed test on my laptop to see the difference from having the NETGEAR GS205 connected. My download is at 904.78 and upload is at 937.16, well within the margin of error. For the switch, it works great at almost 1 gigabyte. Okay, that wraps it up for the unboxing and review of the NETGEAR 5-port Gigabit Ethernet Switch. It's an unmanaged plug and play. It was real simple, hooked up, and worked exactly like it was advertised to. It is what I use now, and it is currently plugged to my TV and NAS. And like I said, it's working without any issues. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.